I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Craftsman V20 drill and driver. So this is a great compact drill and driver from Craftsman because it's Craftsman, you know it's going to be good quality. And one thing I like about this, it's powered by this lithium-ion battery pack. And it's really compact, battery packed, so it makes for a nice compact and relatively light tool, but it's rechargeable and it packs quite a lot of power. So you get a good amount of torque, good amount of power here. And overall, it just feels like it's really well built, really well put together. It's very solid. And again, you do get a lot of either speed or torque, depending on what you need for drilling and driving here. One thing I like about the battery pack is it has this built-in indicator, so you can press the button and get a light here. So 3 little bars means that this has quite a lot of power, and that's nice so that you're not running out of power in the middle of a project. You can immediately see if your battery is charged enough for you to get started. It's got this hand chuck here where you can put bits of all different sizes into this, put drill bits or drivers into here, and be able to use this for either kind of project. And you're just going to turn this counterclockwise in order to tighten, or clockwise to loosen it, so you can chuck many different sizes in here. And then you can also select the speed, so you can basically make a trade-off between speed and torque depending on the kind of project you're doing. If you want to have more torque for drilling or for driving a screw into a stud or something, you can bring that down, or you can bring it up for speed to be able to adjust there. And I also like that it's got a variable trigger, so if you're going to go really slowly, delicate kind of work when you're starting a new screw into a wall, you don't want to have it bouncing all over the place, you can go very slowly, and then you can just speed up once you've started to drive that screw and actually drive it in much more quickly. So it's nice to have that variability in terms of the overall speed. You can also reverse, and again, this is all one-handed, which is another great thing here. So you can hold, screws or something in your other hand, or be able to hold up something that you're screwing in, and still operate this, switching from forward to reverse, using just one hand here, and then be able to use the trigger there as well. So V20 from Craftsman, a really great little compact drill and driver set. I really like the quality. I really like the battery life and compactness of this, and the versatility in terms of being able to use it for a lot of different household projects.